In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Facebook ads leads to HubSpot CRM. Whether you're looking to streamline your marketing efforts or strengthen the bridge between your advertising and customer relationship management. This process is a great way to ensure that every lead you generate makes it into your CRM efficiently. Let's dive right in and make this connection happen smoothly and effectively. To get started, make sure you're logged into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the user guide section, which is a great resource for guidance and support when you're setting things up for the first time. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the marketplace. The marketplace is where all the integration magic happens, providing access to a wide array of tools you can connect with HubSpot. Next, you'll need to click on the connected apps section. This is where you can see all apps that are currently linked to your HubSpot account and also the starting point for new integrations. From there, go ahead and click Go to App Marketplace. This will direct you to the exciting world of possibilities where you can search for and find various apps, including our target for today, Meta Ads, which is the umbrella encompassing Facebook ads. Once you're in the App Marketplace, type in Meta Ads in the search bar. This will make it easy to find the particular app you need without having to scroll through an overwhelming list of options. After typing in Meta Ads, click on the app once it appears in the search results. With Meta Ads now before you, find and click on the Install button. This step is crucial as it adds the app to your suite of tools within HubSpot. Be aware of possible prompts from your browser or HubSpot as it might ask for permissions or confirmations before proceeding. Now you will see an option to continue with this account. Make sure you're comfortable and prepared to link your HubSpot with Facebook ads from this account, as this selection will automatically set up the connection necessary for lead integration. If everything is correctly aligned, proceed by clicking Get Started with Ads, which begins the necessary configuration within the HubSpot environment. The last step is perhaps the most straightforward yet vital. Click on Facebook Login to enter your Facebook account credentials. Logging into your Facebook account securely finalizes the linking process, allowing leads from your Facebook ads campaigns to be funneled directly into HubSpot CRM. With these steps complete, you now have a functional connection between Facebook ads and your HubSpot CRM, enabling seamless lead management and ensuring no potential customer slips through the cracks. Thanks for following along with this guide, and happy marketing.